Hello everyone, this is Disappointed, coming back with another passive play from Cryptonaires. I wanted to highlight and go over this incredibly high risk gem that I found the other day browsing through crypto Twitter. SMRT. So SMRT, in essence, basically, as you can see here, is basically claiming to be the world's first self-feeding high APR yield farm. So a little bit about this coin. It actually exists on the Avalanche chain, which was my first actual experience with the Avalanche chain. I'd never actually used it. We'll say it's actually pretty pleasant, very fast. But anyways, getting back to Smart Coin, this coin's actually very interesting. But again, like I said, it's incredibly high risk, and therefore only invest what you're willing to lose, and also always remember to take profits. Again, this is not financial advice, but I do think that because of the returns, it's kind of hard to pass this one up personally. So looking here at the website, I basically clicked the read more section on the first page you saw there. It's kind of a quick overview. So you basically see that SMART token, also known as SMRT. Basically, the core mission is to provide an exciting and fun to use yield the farming aggregator pool while ensuring that the platform is stable, secure, and easy to navigate. And basically, through my use of the tool, I will say that is relatively true. Here you can kind of see there's more information, token, symbol, contract, and anytime you're getting into these speculative plays or high risk kind of gems, it's always important to check the contract on multiple sources. So I'll go over that on CoinMarketCap a little bit down the line, but here you can see the contract is listed at the time, tells you the chain and obviously the total supplies. So just to kind of get to the meat of what's important, basically here is the coin basically says that in total, basically 50% of total SMRT emitted is allocated to the liquidity provider rewards and 20% goes to the smart fund treasury. And kind of what they go on to say and what's very enticing or interesting about this coin is the double-double mechanism. To kind of sum it up, basically, the more money that's invested in the coin in terms of TVL, basically the higher the APR goes. And so I'll kind of go into that a little bit later. And then the other very interesting concept that the coin basically is including right now in terms of its tokenomics is the Bollinger Band Booster. We obviously go through the details here and read, but kind of to sum it up for you at a very high level is basically if there's ever a massive sell-off and it kind of falls outside of the Bollinger Band, then this Bollinger Band boost activates, which then kind of kicks up the APR in essence to kind of help you make up for some of that, I guess, loss you incurred through massive sales. So real quick, I do want to take a quick pause just to kind of highlight the Discord. So I am part of the Cryptonaires Discord. Here we go through numerous passive plays just like this and other plays of various risk levels. We try to keep it diverse because we understand that everyone has a different risk tolerance, ROI expectation, and things of that nature. So for more information, please check out our website, cryptonaires.com. Also, make sure to check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and obviously, please come check out the Discord. Okay. So kind of going back to the coin here, the first question really that we were going to go back to is, how do we invest in this? How do we make moves? So the first thing you really need to do is you need to get to your MetaMask wallet. I prefer MetaMask because it has the ability to, in essence, utilize multiple chains kind of at the same time. And one thing you're gonna see here, basically you're gonna see that this is my MetaMask. So here on MetaMask, I'm on the Ethereum mainnet. So what we're gonna do is, because it's on the Avalanche chain, is we need to add basically the Avalanche chain. So we're gonna go ahead and hit custom RPC. And to kind of find this, to be very honest with you, find this website and kind of the information, all I really did is I went to Google and I said how to add Avalanche network to MetaMask. This was the first website that popped up. It's the support.avax.network. And so basically you're going to go to that custom RPC and then you're going to go ahead and proceed to basically copy and paste that information in. So I have it over here. And then the blocker URL. Okay, perfect. So here we have it in here. copy, saved it. Okay, so now you can see here it's basically showing that this is my MetaMask, and you can see that I'm on the Avalanche network up here, and then you can also see that I actually have 9.5472 AVAX. Okay, so awesome. So now that we have the MetaMask wallet ready to basically operate on the Avalanche network, you're going to need to actually get the AVAX or the Avalanche. So I'm not going to show this step, but just at a high level, the way that I found the easiest in order to send myself some AVAX or Avalanche is to simply buy it on Coinbase and then send it over to my MetaMask wallet. Honestly, it was pretty quick and the transaction fees were pretty minimal. So that's what I would recommend. I'm sure there are other ways, but for this demonstration, again, I bought it on Coinbase and I just sent it over directly to my MetaMask wallet. Okay. So now we're gonna kind of talk about how do we basically get invested in the project. So now we have AVAX, we have an Avalanche Network wallet. So now we're gonna go basically here to Trader Joe. It's basically the go-to website basically for Avalanche, or should I say the exchange, the go-to exchange for Avalanche. So I'll take a step back because I saw that, I kind of just clicked on Trader Joe. So how would we do it? So if we're here on the Smart Coin website, we're going to go ahead and hit buy. And then you can see here that it's saying, do you want to import Smart Coin? We're going to hit yes, that we understand. It's going to ask you to connect a wallet. Obviously, you're gonna go through and connect the wallet. And sorry, I was having issues there. But here's the most important part. So you need to remember that you need to connect your wallet. So here I hit next. I'm going to connect it. I'm going to do it again because I think I clicked it multiple times. And then here I'll just say cancel. That's fine. Okay, so I think I might have. Okay, cool. So I messed it up obviously, but here we're going to hit connect. Okay, cool. So it obviously works. Sorry, it took me a few attempts to go through and obviously do that. So here I've connected my my wallet basically to the Trader Joe website. You can see here that it just uploaded basically my Avalanche balance. So hit here, we can hit max. You can see it's going to tell you basically, if you want to go through with max, then you can get whatever you want. For the purposes of demonstration, again, we're not going to max out because we are doing a liquidity pool, right? So whenever we're doing a liquidity pool, you always have to remember that there is a ratio. So I believe the ratio for the liquidity pool is 30-1. Approximately. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and trade 1 for purposes of demonstration. I believe I'm just going to do 1.1 just to be very safe. I want to make sure I have enough. So here we're going to go ahead and hit swap. We're swapping AVAX for Smart. Again, you kind of saw how I got the contract address, but again, whenever you're doing these types of trades, it's always important to go and confirm your contract address. So you saw me get it from the SmartCoin website, just to kind of double check. Here you can see it's also listed on CoinMarketCap. Okay. So going back to basically our trade here, so we're going to confirm our trade for AVAX for Smart. Go ahead and confirm. The gas fees are absolutely minimal on Avalanche, and you'll see the transactions are actually incredibly fast. Okay, cool. So here you can see I got the MetaMask confirmation, and it also popped up here that I swapped my 1.1 for 34 Smart. So my next step here is I'm going to go back to the SmartCoin website, and I'm going to go ahead and hit add liquidity here. And so the reason I do that is just because it opens it up really easily for you, and it takes you to this page where you can see basically that we're going to swap our AVAX and our Smart, and we're going to take basically both the coins, and we're going to put them together into a liquidity token. So I want to just make sure everyone understands basically how liquidity pools work, because it's very important that you understand this when you're doing a liquidity pool. You need to be very careful of incurring what's called impairment loss. So I'm not going to spend too much time going into it, but a long story short is impairment loss happens when you buy tokens at a certain price, you put them into a liquidity pool, and when you're ready to exit that liquidity pool, those tokens that you bought at a certain price have now devalued. Right? So let's say those tokens went down by 10%. So when you go to exit the liquidity pool, you've now officially lost 10% of your total investment because the tokens have gone down. So if you're not really sure what I'm talking about, please make sure you look up impairment risk on liquidity farming. Okay, it's very important. So going back to the liquidity pool, I'm going to go ahead and hit max here because I want to basically do as much smart as I can for as much AVAX as I can, and it'll automatically do the calculation for you. Again, I believe it's 1 AVAX to 30 smart, so I'm going to go ahead and hit supply, going to hit confirm. It's going to do its MetaMask thing. Again, we're going to confirm the transaction. You're going to see that the transaction is submitted. We're going to wait for it to go through. It's saying pending. And so there you can see that it went through relatively quick. So as a reminder, what we just did is we took some AVAX and we took some Smart. Now we put them together. Now it's a liquidity token. So it's a mix. It's a combined token. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Smart Coin website. We're going to go ahead and hit deposit here. So you can see that I already have some liquidity deposited here. And then you can see that basically here's my Smart that I've generated. So we're going to go ahead and hit deposit. We're going to hit max, and then we're going to deposit the liquidity. Awesome. So you can see here I deposited the liquidity. The transaction is pending, so we're going to wait for it to go through. And bam. So here I got the MetaMask confirmation. And here you can see it's still pending, but I mean, I can tell it's gone through because I got the MetaMask confirmation. And bam, I got the confirmation on the website that the liquidity has gone through. So boom. So now I've taken my AVAX and my Smart, I've added them together, and I've added them to the liquidity pool. Awesome. So now what? So basically you're done, right? You've added both your tokens and now you're basically gaining passive income by being in this liquidity pool. So you can see that right now I have about $2,700 in the liquidity pool. So the total the TVL, or the total volume liquidity, is at 16 million, and so the APR right now is at 12,000, which is pretty ridiculous. I believe the next target that I believe they're trying to get to is 24 TVL, and when the TVL hits 24 million, I believe the APR is also going to double again. So again, this is a very high risk play. They do kind of mention that it is a bit of a Ponzi scheme, and the fact that it kind of survives on people adding more liquidity and more liquidity. But in terms of a passive play, again, this is generating me right now at the current price of Smart, at this current APR, approximately almost $1,000 a day. Now, I do want to caution everyone and say that this changes, right? When the total liquidity basically goes down, the APR will also go down, and this will also probably go down by at least half. So I just want to make sure everyone's aware that this is a very volatile play, but at the moment the ROI is just too good to pass up. Like I said in the beginning, I want to highlight again that this should only be done with gambling money, money that you don't need to spend on your bills, because it is highly speculative and you need to go into this thinking that you could lose this money tomorrow. So I put in money that I can afford to lose. I found it very interesting. I figured I would share it with everyone on our Discord, and obviously people following our channel and our YouTube. So with that being said, guys, my name's Disappointed. This is another passive play. For more things like this, more content like this, make sure you check us out on Discord. We're always looking for the newest passive plays in crypto, whether it be a node, whether it be staking, or whether it be a liquidity pool. All right, guys, take it easy. Until next time.